Michael Weihahn, Lazenby IT. I've been with the company since June last year, and really relocated to Whitney, and I'm just enjoying it. What I want to talk to you today is just about one of the offerings that we have at within the company, and that's called Datto Workplace. Now, if I can compare Datto, I can compare it to something like Dropbox, OneDrive, Treasurit, Backblaze, G Drive, and you know what? There's many others out there. And when I started preparing this, I thought of making a comparison of the products, maybe doing a price comparison, what Datto is good at, and what the others are bad at. And I said, no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to go into comparing. I just want to tell you what Datto does and actually show you exactly how easy it is to use. So just firstly, Datto, so it's an online storage, not just online storage, but they also back up whatever you put online. A lot of the other ones, it's just a cloud storage, so you can just take your files, you copy it into G Drive, and it's there. So if you want to retrieve that information, you click on your G Drive and you can get that information off. So Workplace is a lot more. So they back up their data firstly to Denmark. So all your data is stored in Europe, in Denmark, and then they have another copy of that in Iceland as well. So that's how. So if your backup isn't in 3 places, your data is not really backed up. So I'm going to quickly show you exactly what it does. Let me share that screen. Share screen. I'll do the blank one. Share that. And can you see the screen? And can you see the data in there as well? Okay, perfect. Right, so immediately I'll go to, so we call it projects. I'll go to my personal file, and I've created one called, so you can see me moving around and opening up folders. Just want to confirm that. Okay.
Yeah, you're loud and clear.
Okay, so what we have is I've created a OBL, so Oxford Business Leaders test, very easy. So from here, you can just go into, you want to add another folder, and we call that test 2, and whatever description you want to put in there. And all of a sudden, you can see that it's been created. And I've created a dummy. So you can see I've brought that in. I've got a file, so Datto Workplace Overview. I take it, and it's as easy as drag and drop. Put it down there, and the file is already there. So within 10 minutes, it will be backed up to Denmark, and then 10 minutes later, that will then immediately be backed up in Iceland. So if I can ask, so just by show of hands, let me just change my view to gallery. So who of you have to share files with clients? Okay, and you normally send an email with the attachment, right?
Or a Dropbox link.
Yeah, oh, yeah, a OneDrive link we dump everything into OneDrive and then just give them access to that folder.
Okay, So very simple here as well. So I've got the file there. I click on it. I say I want to make this a public share. And it will then give me different options immediately. So I can either say that the client can only view it. He can upload. He can only upload into that directory, view and upload, view or download. And so over here, if I click on that and I just copy that link, if I go to my chat, where's the chat? I can't find the chat. That's fine. So if I connect, if I give you that link and you click on it, it will immediately take you to that file, and you can either download it, view it. All of this is encrypted. Everything that you upload is immediately checked for ransomware. So if you have any emails that has,
4 minutes.
So anything that that has any ransomware attached to it, you won't be able to upload it. It will tell you that you've got a virus or any problems with that. So what you have with Workplace, so that was just to show you how quickly and easy it is. And if you look over here, so this is now your normal file explorer. So if you go into the file, you go into your documents, it's just how easy this is. OBL test, and you will see that file is there, and I can immediately open it up on any device. So whether it's Android, whether it's iOS or your MacBook, it will sync with everything immediately. So what you have, you've got a secure collaboration. You can work anywhere on any device. You've got a central place where you can administer everything. It's easy to use, and you've got all the security in there. What's also nice is that if you've deleted a file, you can actually go back to different versions of a particular file. So you've made a mistake on one, you can immediately go into the system and say, I want to look at a different version of that same file. So this is how easy it is to use Workplace. And it is secure and very easy to just drag and drop all your files in there and share with your clients. Any questions?
Actually, can we take you off screen share? Yeah, lovely. Right, any questions? V?
Is there a, Michael, is there a level of like terabytes or megabytes or whatever storage that comes with it? I don't understand
Yes. I actually wanted to mention that. So with Workplace, you've got unlimited storage.
Yeah.
And you've got, so if you want to put a fee to it, so for if you want to go on a monthly, just a month by month,
yeah,
it'll cost you £15 a month. If you want to go on a 1 year contract, it will be £12 a month. And if you go onto a 3 year contract, you're looking at £10 a month. But it's, I think that the benefits there is that you've got unlimited storage. Whereby
it's kind of a no-brainer, isn't it?
So with Dropbox, all of them, they've got a limit. You have to then pay to actually have more storage.
Yeah.
Michael, is that per user, or is that how many users do you get for that?
Yes, so that is per user.
Thank you.
But of course, you can have a lot of people that will share a certain file or a folder. So, so I've created that folder, and you can then share that with anyone who has that link. Mm-hmm. You can either have expiration on that link, or you can take that expiration off completely.
Right.
Yes, Alan.
You mentioned backup. Does it do sort of grandfather, father, son? So when by mistake I save the Excel file and realize that I've saved the wrong version or something like that, can I go back to yesterday's file?
Yes, you can. So it will back up every day. It will then back up a weekly, and then from a weekly it will go to a bi-weekly. From a bi-weekly it will go to a monthly. From a monthly to a yearly.
So it's a complete backup system and Dropbox system all rolled into one.
Yeah, and you can go back to any version. So if you've got an accidental deletion of a folder or a file, you go back to it and you can restore everything with a click.
Right, that sounds very impressive for £12 a month. So yeah, Stephen, you had a question.
Yeah, I was going to ask a similar question that you've just asked about version control there, Alan. Actually, so I think Michael's already answered that part. I was just also to add on to that. Is it also a kind of a document management system as well, in the true sense of the word, i.e., scanning in and multiple character sort of like retrievability and searching?
So yes, you can. So if I go, I just want to. So yes, so so I've got all my folders, and if I look for, I type in security.
Yeah, we can't see your screen, Michael. So.
So yes, you can search for a name, and you can then it will then bring up all the documents with that particular name in it.
Right, I see. Okay.
So you can upload PDFs, PNGs. There's one thing, and I just can't remember what it is now, that you can't upload. One extension that EXEs. It doesn't like you uploading EXEs, because a lot of them can be viruses can be attached to .exe files, execution files.
Ah, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for that. Yeah, that's great.
Okay, lovely. That's really brilliant, Michael. Actually, that's an amazing bit of kit that I wasn't aware it was that good. So yeah. Okay,
Can I
so
sign you up, Alan?
yes. That was quick, wasn't it? £12 a month. That's worth every penny, isn't it? So you might have to give me a bit of left and right brain training. But yeah. Okay.
Hold your hand all the way.
Right. Actually, I better stop recording.